Hello everyone, good afternoon. So I'm sorry I got late from this live stream in this video because I'm going to school because from receiving the Unifast from the scholarship because I'm finishing my studies because I'm graduate from this program in this June 2025, so BS Tourism Management. So we're here from this one. It is analyze of these games in PD Women's World Team Championship 2025. So today is Battle of Third. So let's see of this one by standings here. So these are the pictures. So these are the from this Battle of Third. So last semifinals. So lost by Team China and Team Kazakhstan. So it means so Battle of Third here within Team China versus Team Kazakhstan. So if you lost from this Battle of Third, knocked out by elimination by this one by tournaments. If you win, will crowned by bronze medal by third placer here. So today is Battle of Third, so 45 minutes plus 30 seconds increment, so it means classical chess here. And also have a between from this international master in China, Yusin Song or Song Yusin. And versus by beautiful pretty international master in Kazakhstan is Merwert Kamalidanova. So two games analyzed here. So it means so after first game, next second games here between woman grandmaster in Kazakhstan Lia Hormangalieva versus by international master Lumiawi Miao Miao. So later of this one by second games here. So in this part of these videos here, we have analyzed of the standings of this Battle of Third. So white plays song is E4, C5 Merwert, Knight F3, Knight C6. It is called by Rosolimo attacks variation. And also E6, Bishop accepted the Knights here without captured, takes. So these are the damage by ugliness pawn structure. So these are the upcoming light square by Bishop to B7 here. And also, or maybe light square here. So light square by this one Bishop B7. Sorry, forgot my thinker. And also, pawn B3 without dark square by Bishop B2. Without move side by Song, or maybe without upcoming castling king side. And also, Knight E7 by Merwert, and also Bishop B2. So need more advance here by dark square Bishop B2 here. And also, E6 and also push E5. So need more controls by push E5 by Song or attacks the pawns here. And decided this one push D5 by Merwert. So it means if you capture this pawn, how do you think? So it means these are the double both ugliness damage pawn structure here. So very weak fold. And also knight captured. So these are the upcoming by without queen f3, without threats the mating knights here. So these are the controls by continuations here. So these are examples. So it means so d5 without pushes by Merwert, and also queen e2 by Songs here, and also pawn a5 by Merwert, and also knight c3. So these are a new move novelty by Song of this recording chess.com database. So these are the old main lines here by database is pawn a3 or pawn d3. So third, knight c3 does not belongs of the book lines novelty by Songs here. And also bishop a6 by Merwert without threats the queens here, without attacks the eliminates, and also good move d3 by Song without defense here. And also knight f5 by Merwert, or next maneuver is knight to d4 without next move here. And also castle kingside by Song, and also pawn h5 with a strong move by Merwert, or next side by g5, or next move push g4 without connecting by strong move by black pieces. And also knight a4 by Song, and also bishop b5 threats the knights, and also bishop a3. So these are a without normals here, so it means without threats the pawn, so it means these are the given bad move by computer engine. So the ones computed the best move is rook a b1 is a right move here. So these are the controls here, so etc, etc. So these are the slightly good betters from whites here. So back there is bishop a3 by song, and also push c4. So it means without threats the rook c binds here, so it means that's not one of this push by Merriweather here. Without better move is first is bishop captured knight, and also pawn captured bishop. So these are the without covering by umbrella. So these are the covering the bishops here. So these are the without umbrella, or this one by covering this martial pawns here. So these are the slightly betters here. So back there, this one is pawn c4 without, it is called by here by rook c bind attacks here. And also bishop captured bishop without dark square without this dark square without bishop captured here. King takes, so these are the king's Indian. So it means, so why don't we continue rook captured? It is okay by rook takes f8 here. So these are the continuations here. So it means without king takes f8 by Merriweather here, and also captured bishop captured another good precise by Merriweather. Pawn takes, so these are the, it is called by damageful without ugliness both pawn structure. So without for this one by martial pawns. So these are the connected, it is called by crossing by without ugliness pawn structure here. So very cross here without x here. So it means so bishop captured a4, and also g6 by Merriweather, and also rook fd1, queen e7, captured, and also c4 without move side here, without song, without idea, without threats here, without threats the pawns. Capture this pawn, queen takes, and also king g7 without king's Indians here, without need more king's Indians. So it means no need by castling king side here. Queen f4 by song, and also rook ab8 or next side by rook b2. That's strong move here. And also knight d4 without attacks the knights, knight captured, rook takes, and also rook h8. So it means without rook captured or upcoming by battery. Without battery here. So it means rook ht8 without rook to rook. Battery rook ad1, in accept rook captured, queen takes, and also rook b4. So it means, so in idea, why don't we move here by rook to d8? Threats the queens here. And also queen a1 defense. So if you rook captured here, if you rook captured check, queen captured. So these are a examples here. So these are the continuations here. So it means so rook b4 without threats the queens, and also queen d6 without queen to queen, bad move. So the best move this one is backward queen d2. So backward queen d2 here. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So back there, this one is queen d6 without queen to queen. Ignorance the queen by Merriweather, and also g3, another bad move by Song. So the best move this one is queen to c5 is a right move, threats the pawns. So these are the without good slightly betters from whites here. So slightly betters good. So it means so g3 by Song, and also rook e4 without threats the pawns or queens threats the pawns. So it means brand X move by Merriweather. So the branded is pawn h5, pawn h4, sorry. So it means, so pawn h4. So pawn h4 is a right move. Without pawn h4, so it means cannot capture this pawn. So it means targets the queens without check. So pawn h4 is a best move here. I'm sorry, got wrong notes by pawn h5. So pawn h4 is a best move here. So back there, this one is rook e4, attacks the pawns, rook b1, queen captured without queen to queen, and accept Song, queen takes, rook takes, and also rook b5 without good move, king f6, and also h4. So it means, so why don't we try rook captured, accepted here, and also king takes. So these are a same by 5 connected pass pawns. So these are the martial pawns here. Same by this one. So 10 minutes and 16 seconds by Song and 12 minutes and 57 seconds by Mirror. So these are the classical or rapid chess here. So let's continue. Is H4 by Song and also Rook D5, King G2, proc the active move, King E5, without king must be active, Rook B7 without threats that targets the pawns here, so without threats here, and also King F6 without defense, Rook B5 again, G5 captured by check, King takes, and also King F3, King F5 without racing by kings, King E3, King E5, Rook B7 threats the pawns, defense here, and also go back Rook, King E5, Rook B7, King F6, Rook B5 again, and King E5. So these are a first game. So 3 repetition draw from this without first game. So it means the score by Whites by Song 93.6 and score 94 accuracy wins for International Master Merworth Kamali-Denova. Congratulations. So next up the second games here. So let's see how this one proceed of this second game from Battle of Third. Okay, next up this second game from Battle of Third here. So it means 45 minutes plus 30 seconds increment, classical chess here. And also have a between from this woman grandmaster in Kazakhstan is Leah Kormangalieva versus international master in China, Lu Miaoyi, aka Miao Miao. So in this part of this video by second game and also have a analyze of the standings of Battle of Third. So white plays Leah is knight f3, knight f6 by Miao Miao, g3, d5 is called by Yugoslav variation. And also bishop g2 by Leah without preparing castling here. And also e6 by Miao Miao, castling by Leah. And also bishop e7 by upcoming castling by Miao Miao here. And also d4 castling by Miao Miao. And also pawn a3, pawn a5, and also c4. Without controls here, without c4, without sacrifice by without Leah here. And also decided this one is c6. So for example, so if you capture this one, how do you control d takes c4 and also queen c2? So queen c2 without attacks the pawns here. And also pawn to e5. Defense here. So these are the strong move by black pieces here. So these are the good examples here. So without c6 by Miao Miao without defense. And also queen c2 without defense the pawns here. And also knight bd7 by Miao Miao. Rook d1 by Leah. And also pawn b6. Knight c3. And also bishop to a6 by Miao Miao without controls here. And also knight d2 by Leah. Without idea, without next maneuver is knight b3 without next move here. And also rook c8 by Miao Miao. It is called by rook c files for queens here. Without rook c5 seal, rook c files, and also pawn e4 by Leah. Without move side here or without push by e5. So it means these are a given bad move by computer. So the one's computer the best move this one is c takes d5. And also without c takes d5 and also so it means without rooks here, without bishop, without threats the pawns. So if you captured bishop, captured pawns, so it means cannot move this one captured bishops. These are the rooks without connected, without attacks the eating the queens here. So how do you move here? And also rook to e1. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So whites here from this good advantage here. So these are the best solutions here. So back there, this one is pawn e4 and also captured. So brand X moved by Miao Miao. So the branded is pawns to c5. So pawn c5 here. So if you move by captured this pawn and also rook captured. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. slightly better. So back there, this one is capture this pawn, and also e5 without threats the knights, knight d5, and also knight de4 without move controls here, and also b5 because these are the connected here by this passed pawn, and also h4. So these are a new move from this recording by chess.com, novelty. So these are the old main lines by database is queen to e2. So queen e2 here. So it means h4. So it means novelty by Leah out of this book line. And also pawn h6 by Meow Meow. And also queen e2, good precise by Leah. And also queen e8. And also bishop d2 without defense the knights. And also rook a8. So for example, so if your knight takes captured, how do you controls here if your knight captured? And also bishop captured knight. So these are the controls here. So these are the without determinations here. So these are the good examples here. So back there, this one, rook a8 by Meow Meow, and also queen g4. Wow, without queen g4 here, without move precise here by this one by Leah with a strong move. And also proactive move king h8 by Meow Meow, and also knight e2 by Leah, or next move by this one by next maneuver is knight to f4 here without next move here, and also without pawn c5 without threats the pawns, and also knight captured. So these are the captured by threats the bishop here. So another bad move by Leah here. So the best move is queen to h5 here. So cannot move by this one, do not move by pawn g6 here. So it means queen captured without checks here. So very dangerous from blocks here. So back there, this one is knight captured, knight takes another pawn x. What happened to Meow Meow? X move. So the best move this one is pawn to f5. So pawn f5 threats the queens. If you emphasize captured, and also knight 7 takes f6 threats the queens here. So slightly solutions from blocks here. So back there, this one is knight captured here, takes, and also bishop b7. So it means why don't we continue with bishop captured? With a bishop captured c5 here. So need more continuous here. So it means so back there is bishop b7 without go back with a tight square by Meow Meow, and also a4 attacks the pawns. Pawn takes, so these are the damage full pawn structure here. Queen takes captured, and also bishop a6 by Meow Meow without threats the queens here, without eliminates here, and also queen g4 by Leah, bishop captured, so good precise by Meow Meow, or maybe without idea, without threats the pawns, without sacrifice here, without brilliant move by this one. And also knight c3 without attacks the knights, knight captured, bishop takes, and also rook d8. So without rook to rook here, so it means bad move by Meow Meow. So the best move this one is rook to b8 here is a right move here. So these are the solutions here. So these are the slightly betters from blocks here. So back there, this one is rook d8, rook d8 here without rook to rook here. And accept Leah, rook takes, queen takes, and also rook captured pawn. So these are the without bishop here, without threats the pawns, without connected by this one attackers, and also bishop b6 by Meow Meow without defense here. So these are the defense from this protects the pawns here. And also go back rook a1 by Leah, queen c7, and also queen f3 by Leah, bishop c4 by Meow Meow, and also queen c6 without queen to queen. So it means another third bad move by Leah. So the best move this one is bishop captured here. So bishop captured a5. So bishop captured a5 here. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So queen c6 by Leah without queen to queen here. Queen takes captured. So without queen takes captured, so it means Bran X move. What happened to Meow Meow? Bran X. So the first guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the missing, forgotten, the brilliant captured by Bishop by Meow Meow? So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So it means so the missing, the forgotten, the brilliant sacrifice is boom! Bishop captured f2 check. So bishop captured f2 checks is a new brilliant sacrifice by captured. So Meow Meow forgot the brilliant captured by bishops here. So these are the strongest move here. So these are the easy, slightly betters from perfect by blacks here. So back there, this one is queen captured accepted. Bishop takes. And also rook c8 without threats the bishop. Bishop e4. And also bishop d5 without bishop to bishop. Ignorance bishop d3. So why don't we bishop captured? And also pawn captured. So these are the... So it means these are the same dark coloring bishops here. So these are the pawns by same here by closeness the pawn structure here. So very close full here. So back there this bishop d3 by Leah and also pawn g6 by Meow Meow, king f1, properly active move. Rook a8 again by Meow Meow, king e2, king must be active. Pawn a4, bishop b5 attacks the pawns, bishop defense b3, and also sacrifice h5 and also g5. So it means, so capture this one. So it's very captured. So capture the pawns. These are the ugliness here. And also back there's g5 by Meow Meow, king f3, king g7, and also bishop c6 by Leah without attacks the attacks the rooks here. And also rook c8 attacks the bishop, bishop e4, rook c4 without movement by defense here. And also bishop d3 by Leah without threats the rooks here. And also go back rook c8 by Meow Meow here. And also king e2 without properly active, king must be active. Rook d8 and also f4 and also push g4 without move side here. So without connected the push by Meow Meow here. So it means for me, so the best move is captured here. So g takes f4 and also captured. So these are the slightly good examples here. So slightly betters from whites and blacks here. So slightly betters. So back there, this one is push g4 and f5. Without f5 here, without connected by attacks here, or without move by this one by push f6 here. Without checks here or without captured here. So it means so without f5 by Leah and also bishop f2. What happened to Meow Meow? So not sacrifice but also blunderacious by black pieces by Meow Meow here. So the ones computed the best move. So the best move is bishop to c5. It's a right move, not bishop f2, because this is not sacrifice here. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So back there, bishop f2 by Meow Meow. So it means blunderacious. f6 without check. X move by Leah. So it means so the one's best move is rook f1. So without threats the bishops here. And also bishop to c5. So these are the connected here. So these are the slightly betters. So back there, f6 pawn without check. King f8. So what the miss by Meow Meow? So the best properly active is king to h8. Need more properly active move here. So king f8 by Meow Meow. Bishop d2. Another Bran X by Leah. So the best move is bishop to a5. Threats the rooks here. So need more threats here. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So better move here. So slightly betters. So back there, this one is bishop d2 by Leah, bishop to d4 by Meow Meow without threats the pawns, or without threats here, so threat the double pawns here, so double attacks. So these are the without threats here, without continuations here, without attacks here. And also, bishop captured pawn without check, and also good move king g8 by Meow Meow, rook b1, good move by Leah, rook d5 without idea, without threats the pawns because the bishop threats here. So threats here by this one by attackers. And also rook c1, rook captured pawn, check, and also king d2, good move, another good move by Meow Meow is bishop to c5. So very good decisions here without good move. And also rook h1. So what happened to Leah? Blunderacious. So what happened by this one by without white pieces here? So the ones computed the perfect move is bishop to g6 is a sacrifice. Sacrifice here by this one. Determinations here. So according this one by computer engine here. So once of this computer. So etc. etc. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So slightly betters. Okay, so back there, this one is rook h1 by Leah here, and also bishop b4 check, and also king c1, bishop d5 without movement, so it means bad move by Meow Meow. So the best move, this one is rook to d5 without threats the bishops here. So need more threats here. So slightly better from these blocks here. So bishop d5 by Meow Meow without idea, without threats the rooks here, without threats here, and also bishop f4, good move. So if you bishop captured rook, and next by bishop here. So bishop captured rook here. And decided a3, bishop captured, and also a2. So it means, so why don't we continue is bishop captured. So if you bishop captured, if you capture this one, bishop captured check, and also king to c2. So these are a without same by this one the bishops here. So back there, this one is a2 by Meow Meow without upcoming by promotes the queens here, and also b3, good move by Leah, and also bishop a3 check, and also king c2. So it means, so why don't we try without movement here? So a1 queen, bishop captured. So it means, this is a not good examples here. So bishop a3 check, and also king c2, good move. Bishop captured rook, so same by this one by bishops here. So very determinations here. And also h6 without move control, so it means bad move. So the best move, this one is pawn to b4. So pawn b4, if you captured by bishop takes b4, so it means, so these are cannot move that from this without according by continuous. So it's easy advantage here by whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is h6 by Leah, bishop d6, good move without bishop to bishop, and also h7 check, king h8, another good move by Meow Meow, very strongest. Ignorance, bishop d2, bishop captured pawn. So it means, so it means if you bishop captured, so it means cannot move here by bishop, do not capture by bishop. So ignorance, bishop d2, bishop captured pawns, and also b4, b4. So b4 by pawns here. So the next second puzzle. So what do you think about without strong move by strong? So strong move by brilliant, sacrifice by without perfect shot by Meow Meow. So guessing second puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Bishop F2, perfect shot by Meow Meow, brilliant move. So these are the strong highest evaluation bar. So it means Bishop F2 with a perfect, strong, brilliant sacrifice the Bishop here. And decided Bishop A1. So if you try, so why don't you try Bishop captured accepted? So if you controls here and also King takes captured. Oh, not King takes. So it without Bishop captured and promotes by A1 Queen. So it means so loss from white. So it means wins for white by Meow Meow here. So wins here. Without decided Bishop A1 by Leah and also pawn G3. Bishop F1, G2 attacks the bishop. Bishop captured and last shot Bishop takes. So resigns by Leah Hormangalieva from Woman Grandmaster. So the score by this one by Leah, 83 points and 88.7. So winning from this one, International Master Meow Meow. Congratulations. So the score. So the score by Team China 4 points and Team Kazakhstan 0 points. So let's see up this one by standing. So it means congratulations by third placer from this bronze medal Team China, because Team China wins defeats by Team Kazakhstan here. Congratulations by bronze medals by Team China. So next up is finals here with a championship between Russia versus Azerbaijan. So I will next analyze here from soon. I hope on this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi17, aka IconMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.